Pleasure from the flight deck. Just passed over the airport here. Our landing gear, we have all 3 gears down, but we have an indication problem on our front nose gear. So don't want to alarm you, but after the landing, we're going to touch down very lightly, and there is a slight possibility that the nose gear might have an issue. So I'll go ahead and alert you now that if that nose gear were to fail, that the front of the nose of the airplane will slowly slide on the surface of the runway. And that's the situation. Shouldn't come to that, but I just want to let you know and go ahead and situate yourself for a possible rough landing. But right now our indications are showing they should be fine. And we'll be touching down here in a little less than 2 or 3 minutes.